The mission of the Society for Ecological Restoration is to advance the science, practice, and policy of ecological restoration, that is the repair of degraded and damaged ecosystems, to sustain biodiversity, improve resilience in a changing climate, and reestablish an ecologically healthy relationship between nature and culture. Our Congress is really a platform to bring together professionals from a wide variety of different backgrounds to exchange knowledge and insights about issues related to restoration. It's a very diverse field with social, economic, and ecological dimensions all sort of wrapped together. So the conference is critical to bring all of these people from different backgrounds, as I say, together in one place where they can share information and develop new networks. Our conference made an impact in a number of different areas. We brought together policymakers from all over the world, including representatives from the United Nations Environment Program, from the World Bank, and from investment firms that are looking at innovative approaches for financing restoration on a large scale. So one important legacy are a number of collaborations across these sectors, policy, finance, science, that will be critical to implementing ecological restoration on a large scale. There's a lot of political will building for restoration. Countries around the world have made commitments to restore degraded areas within their territories. Now we need to look at how we bring these different players together, these different stakeholders, to make it happen. Following our conference, we've seen a number of tangible outcomes of this type of networking across sectors that I'm describing. We've seen biodiversity guidelines being discussed and now implemented for restoration assessment measures. We've seen the launch of a new site certification program, which is similar to the Forest Stewardship Council, except it's going to take a broader approach and look at management activities across the landscape. This has directly resulted from a plenary panel that we held at our conference with the representatives I was talking about a minute ago, the World Bank Managing Director and a representative from the UN. And the Society for Ecological Restoration has continued its engagement in these international policy platforms, I think, as a follow-up to our interactions at the conference with these stakeholders.